Today, we'll walk you through how to make minor concrete repairs to your fire feature using your Lumacast repair kit. Inside your repair kit will be these items: 1 sanding block, 3 different sandpaper grits with sanding pads, 1 plastic scraper, 1 spray bottle, 2 paint roller brushes, 1 paint roller handle, 1 bottle of color pigment powder, 1 bottle of adhesive, 3 bottles of commercial grade sealer, 1 plastic mixing cup, 1 pair of latex gloves, and mixing sticks. Before starting the repair, take a paper towel and, filling the spray bottle with a little bit of water, spray the towel lightly with water. Then, using the lightly moistened side, wipe down the concrete area of your fire feature that you wish to repair. After the area is clean, it's time to prep the materials. Taking the plastic mixing cup, open the bottle of colored pigment powder and fill it 3/4 of the way up. Add a little bit of water using your spray bottle. You don't want to add too much water, as you want a nice, thick, spackle-like consistency, using your mixing sticks to stir until the powder and water have been mixed completely. Take the mixing cup to your fire feature and, using your mixing stick, apply the spackle to the repair area, creating a slight mat over the area. Don't apply too much, just enough to cover and fill the area that you wish to repair, applying more only if needed. Let this dry for 15 minutes. When it's dry, use the sandpaper pad with the grit number 320, gently sanding this down in a nice circular motion along the contours of the fire feature to smooth down the visibly rough areas. Then, switching over to the sandpaper pad with the grit number 800, again sanding the area down in a gentle circular motion along the contours of the fire feature, refining and smoothing out the repair area further, blowing away residue to check the area, and stopping when you have smoothed out the area to the desired look. Next is prepping the commercial grade sealant. Take your spray bottle and fill it with 15 ounces of water. Take the 3 commercial grade sealant bottles and pour the entire contents of all 3 bottles into the spray bottle. Place and secure the spray nozzle back into the bottle and shake lightly for about 10 seconds to create a mixture. The sealant is water-based, so there is no harmful chemical vapor. Next, take your roller handle, attach a roller brush to it, and, with the spray bottle in hand, head over to your fire feature. Lay paper towels or a drop cloth on the floor area of your fire feature to avoid spraying and staining the floor area. Give the repair area a light spray. You only need to spray the repair area, using the roller brush to blend in the sealant with the surrounding area. Repeat this 3 times and allow 2 to 3 minutes in between sealant sprays and roller blending to achieve the final look. Allow this to dry in the open air for 24 hours, making sure you don't touch or cover the fire feature with an all-weather covering while the sealant is in the drying process. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to email us at info@lumacast.com. You can also call us and speak to a representative at 888-710-1026. Our customer service lines are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can also send us a text message at 858-775-1253. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a Lumacast Fire Feature owner. Lumacast, the fire feature experience refined.